Hey everyone, and welcome to High Risk Merchant Accounts 101 brought to you by SoarPay. Today we're diving into a topic that every high-risk business owner needs to understand: rolling reserves. If you've ever opened a high-risk merchant account, you've likely heard this term. But what exactly is a rolling reserve and why does it matter? A rolling reserve is a percentage of your credit card sales that your payment processor temporarily holds back. It's a form of financial protection for the processor and ultimately for the banks behind your account. Here's how it works. Let's say you're in a high-risk industry like nutraceuticals, firearms, or travel. These industries have higher rates of chargebacks, cancellations, and potential fraud. To offset that risk, your processor may implement a rolling reserve, usually holding back 5% to 10% of your daily sales. That held amount is set aside for a specific period, often 90 or 100 days, before being released to you on a rolling basis. So on day 1, 10% of your sales might be held. On day 91, that day 1 reserve is released, assuming there are no major chargebacks or account issues. So why do processors do this? From the processor's perspective, rolling reserves act as a safety net. If your business suddenly closes, gets hit with excessive chargebacks, or violates terms of service, the reserve can be used to cover those financial liabilities. For you, the merchant, rolling reserves directly impact your cash flow. Even if you're making strong sales, you won't have immediate access to all of your revenue. And in a cash-sensitive business, that can be challenging. That's why it's critical to understand the terms of your merchant account agreement before signing. Not all rolling reserves are the same. You'll want to know the percentage being held, how long funds are held, and what conditions may trigger changes to the reserve. The good news, if your account has a clean history and low chargebacks over time, you can often negotiate to reduce or eliminate the reserve altogether. Understanding rolling reserves isn't just about accepting terms. It's about managing your cash flow, setting realistic expectations, and building a strong relationship with your payment processor. Want to learn more about high-risk payment processing? Subscribe for more insights and check out SoarPay for solutions tailored to your business needs. See you next time.